Okay, now we're ready to put on the gas tank. And I played with this a little bit last night and had a hard time getting this tank on. So I'm going to try it again and just explain that if it's unclear. On this tank, there are two features. Here and here, little semicircular weldments that hook onto these rubber stops. There's a round rubber stop on either side. And that's basically all there is to hold the tank. But getting that screw lined up to get back in the hole has been a challenge. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to go ahead and take this screw, whoop, there it is, out. And we'll start with trying to get the tank back in place. Actually, I'm going to do this from the other side. I hope I don't block the vision too much. Come over here and see if we can get this tank in place. And let's see if we're close. Oh, I don't think that's it. I think it's too far back. Basically, you come in like this with the seats. And there it goes. Okay. So, like I said last night, I had a heck of a time attempting to get this screw to line up with the hole, and it is still not there. I'm going to work with that a little bit, see if I can get it lined up. I'm not going to have you watch me struggle with it, but see if I can get that lined up, and then we'll I was able to get this bolt in. There was another little washer that was here, and so there was a piece of rubber between this top plate and the bolt, and for the life of me, I'm not sure I know why it's there. That seemed to be keeping the threads back to where it wouldn't go through, so I'm happy with it like that. I don't think it's going to make any noise. I'm going to tighten this thing down and be done with it. There we go. In place and tight. So the only other thing I need to do is hook up the fuel line, which was disconnected down below, and I'm going to do that. So my last step here is to get the seat back on, and I will then be ready to turn this motorcycle on and see if by chance it runs. After then I've got to put the brake pedal on. But let's get that seat back on, and then we'll do the brake pedal, and then I think we're going to be ready for a test to fire this up and maybe drive around the street on it. The seat, as I understand it, should just pop down there, and then there are a couple of bolts that go down over here. Might have lost my head. Like so, and there it is. That should be right in. There we go. So it comes in at an angle. You can see that angle. I'll just hand tighten this for now. And on the other side. And at this point, my 2006 Honda Shadow is essentially is now with that new stop that I put on turning, this gives me a good 1/4 inch clearance. Over here it's probably a little too much. Probably better if I had it flexible away, but that could be adjusted if I want to, which I really don't. So, that said, I'm going to go start thinking about working on this brake, and I'll set up for that. Okay, so the last thing I have to do to make this bike roadworthy, there are some odds and ends, things I still need to fix. There's a mirror that needs to be replaced over here. I took this mirror off, I still have it. I need to replace this hand grip, which is the end caps off of it, not a big deal. This lever's bent a little, things like that. But apart from those things, the only thing that I need to do to be able to put this thing on the road and try it is fix this brake lever. So that's what we're going to do next. So I'll go ahead and get set up for that. Okay. Alright. Looks like this assembly is going to come off. It's like two primary screws. These are 14 millimeter socket. Fits that. And then you can see what I need back there. On the back side, it's going to take a smaller. Looks like about a 10 millimeter. In fact, I'm going to take that loose first while it's a little easier. Everything's mounted. Take this little connecting point off. And here we go. Going the wrong way. Needed to go the other way. For whatever reason, this guy is spinning, so I'm going to have to get hold of that with something. So, let's see. Grab this guy. I don't really want to do this, but I'll hold this with my vice grips. Maybe we can get it off. Let's try that. Hopefully there's enough I can bite into without messing it up. There we go. That's what I wanted to feel. Okay. And honestly, this is made in a way that I'm sure this is made not to fall off. And there is a safety aspect to it. There is a little nut and a washer there. And on the front side, there's a little D feature that is attached to a pin that I don't know if that was somehow supposed to be locked in or what, but it didn't work. So yeah, there's some sort of a little feature there that looks like it maybe was soldered in or something. I don't know if I can do something about that later to make that wear, or this won't spin loose, but we'll see. Alright, so that's loose. And keep the nut. And then we'll take these other two bolts out. We should be good to go. A little tight for the ratchet. Let me get an extender on that. I'll be back. Okay, have an extender for the ratchet so I can get a little better position. Oh, that's not tight at all. Okay, you see how the brake pedal just fell right down when I started loosening that up. I'm going to pay attention to this to make sure all the parts go back the same way. So it looks like there's a washer and the brake pedal itself. We got a way to go here. Okay, there it is. I wonder if I can replace this without having to take the top. There we go. So the washer fell out. There is the bent up brake pedal. And that is a bent one. Here is the replacement. Here's what it should look like. There's what it does look like. So I bought this online. And I'm just going to pop it right back in. Actually, I'm going to start this screw, this washer here, started. And I'm going to pop this guy back in, like so, and hit it, and there it is. So, there is our brake pedal. And I'm going to leave that loose for now. I'm going to go ahead and connect this guy to it while it's easy and loose. And I got to do a little compression there. Okay, that's fine. Deal with that. And there we go. Compress that guy. Rotate him around. Now, go ahead and start tightening that up. So if we can get that all the way into place. There we go. That's what I need right there. Go ahead and ratchet that in place. Okay, that tightened up good. Well, we want it to do that. Run that around. Okay. Hopefully that will hold good. Now, that feels good. Swap back out here. And that is going in smoothly. I think we're about to have a roadworthy bike. There we go. There you have it. Like that just a little more. There you have it. One bike, bought salvage, repaired, and ready to try. So, I think the next step is to get some gas in this thing and see if it'll fire up.